Welcome student. Today we'll learn about the very interesting property of liquid at rest is surface tension. Student, we have seen that water spider walk on the surface of steady water. Greased needle floating onto the steady surface of water. Raindrops and soap bubbles always take spherical shape. All these phenomena arise due to the surface tension. Surface tension is one of the important property of liquid. To understand the surface tension, we have to study the molecular theory that explain the behavior of liquid at their surface. We need to know some terms in molecular theory. We know that matter is made up of any two molecules attract each other. This force between two molecules is called as intermolecular force. There are two types of intermolecular force. First is cohesive force and another one is adhesive force. Cohesive force, the force of attraction between the molecules of the same substance is called cohesive force or force of cohesion. The force of attraction between two air molecules or two water molecules is a cohesive force. Cohesive force is a stronger in solid and weakest in gases. This is the reason why solid have a definite shape and gases does not have. Adhesive force, the force of attraction between the molecules of different substance is called as adhesive force or force of adhesion. The force of attraction between glass and water molecule is force of adhesion. When teacher write on a board, chalk particle stick to board due to the adhesive force. Range of molecular force. The maximum distance from a molecule up to which the molecular force is effective is called the range of molecular force. Intermolecular force are effective up to a distance of the order of few nanometers in solids and liquids. Therefore, they are called as short range force. Sphere of influence, an imaginary sphere with a molecule at its center and radius equal to the molecular range is called the sphere of influence of the molecule. The intermolecular force is effective only within the sphere of influence. Surface film, surface layer of a liquid with thickness equal to the range of intermolecular force is called the surface film. This is a layer shown between xy and x dash y dash in the figure. Free surface of a liquid. It is the surface of a liquid which does not experience any shear stress. For example, the interface between the liquid water and air above. In figure, xy is the free surface of a liquid. Now we are study about surface tension on the basis of molecular theory. Consider the some liquid is taken in container. Consider three molecules of liquid A, B and C in the container as shown in figure with their sphere of influence. Molecule A is deep inside the liquid, molecule B within the surface film and molecule C on the surface of a liquid. Molecule A lie completely inside the liquid and it attracted equally in all directions by cohesive force. So resultant force acting on it is zero. Hence it is free to move anywhere in the liquid. Molecule B lies below the surface having small part of sphere of influence in air and major part of sphere of influence inside the liquid. Upward adhesive force due to the air molecule is negligible as compared to downward cohesive force due to the liquid molecules. Thus, it's trying to pull it inside the liquid. Molecule C lies on the liquid surface having half of the sphere of influence in air and half of the sphere of influence in liquid. But there are large number of liquid molecules in lower half while few air molecules in upper half of sphere of influence. Therefore, maximum resultant downward cohesive force act on molecule C. Thus, all molecules in the surface film are acted upon by an unbalanced net cohesive force directed inside the liquid. Therefore, the molecules in the surface film are pulled inside the liquid. This minimizes the total number of molecules in the surface film. As a result, the surface film remains under tension. The surface film of a liquid behaves like a stretched elastic membrane. This tension is known as surface tension. The force due to surface tension acts tangentially to the free surface of a liquid.